So I planted this one, guys, the other week. These are zinnias, if I'm not mistaken. Zinnias or marigold, if I'm not mistaken. But the thing is, every time we plant something here, all our dogs come and excavate and dig. Mushroom. I'm not sure if this mushroom is edible or not, but I'm afraid, so better not to take it. What do you think, guys? Is this edible? I put paper, guys, because the figs has the fig has this white liquid and sticky. That is why I prefer to put this kitchen towel on it. Hello everyone, good morning. Today, guys, is Tuesday, 6th September 2022, and it is fig season again, guys. As you can see, I am here, guys, in the garden, and I am going to harvest most of our, not most, but I am going to harvest figs because I want to make fig jam, guys. So let's harvest figs, guys. As you all can see from where I am, actually the figs start from this tree until here to the end, guys. All that is fig. Yes, that is the fig line, guys. So we have, I think, maybe 15 trees of figs in total, more or less. Yeah, so let's harvest. I want to show you, this is the leaf of a fig, guys. This is what it looks like, guys. The leaf of a fig, as you all can see, it's like papaya in the Philippines. They have like more or less like a shape of a papaya leaf in the Philippines. Yes, and they are sturdy, and if you are sensitive, if you have sensitive skin, it's quite itchy, guys, because there is like a dust on it and it's quite rough, guys. So yeah, and this is a fig, that is a fig fruit. So this is what we are going to harvest today. This one, can you see? This is the liquid, the white liquid that I am telling you, and I think it's going to drop. Let's see. That's the white liquid, guys. Para siyang glue na sticky. Yes, this one, can you see? All right. Some of them are overripe. So we have 3 varieties, guys. One is the purple one and the green one, this one. And we also have another yellow with green stripe. Most of the insects are eating them already. So let's harvest. it's on the ground, guys. We have to take good care of this. Yeah, we will put tutor and paramihin natin ito. Palaguin natin ito. Kasi this one, guys, nag-over the bakod na sila. Kaya, ayun. Russell, what did you smell in there? So, ganyan, guys, ang aso namin na si Russell, because he is a hunter and he smelled something. So he won't stop until he won't get it. Can you see? He's very fast. Look. Ay!